Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel, and in this video I am with another great theme for newspaper and magazine websites. This theme is Grand News, and this is going to be a wonderful theme if you have decided to make a blog or newspaper website for general news, technology news, lifestyle and magazine, fashion news, sport news or design magazine. In fact, this theme has 6 demos with it, and every demo is wonderful, and we can take a look of demos as well. The theme Grand News is definitely a magazine, newspaper and WordPress theme, and the theme has been developed by Theme Goods, and they are Power Elite authors. Theme was developed in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done, and you can see the numbers. So this is a popular theme and widely used by the bloggers, so you can rest assured about the quality of theme, and the developers are Power Elite authors, so you can assume they have all the standards in developing WordPress theme. And now we can check the demos. I'm just clicking 1 or 2 demos, and I'll also give you the link in the description of this video. This is the Grand News main demo, and it has definitely a stunning look. What a newspaper or blog website needs, everything is here only. And this theme is loading very fast, so this is another advantage. And you can see as I am moving down to the page, this progress bar is showing how much page has been loaded and up to what extent page has been loaded. And this theme has shop option as well. If you are planning to sell some items with the blog, this theme will be a great choice for you, as it has WooCommerce features to sell the products and services as well, and this WooCommerce feature is also very good. It has clear and stunning look, and the mega menu is also here, so you can rightly choose this theme for your upcoming blog website project. In this video we will install the Grand News WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also import demo and overview the basic customization options and theme option available with this theme. So without wasting any time, let us begin the installation. I assume you have already installed the latest version of WordPress. Go to the themes section, and first I'll show you the theme pack, what I got in the theme pack. This is the theme pack. I got documentation, licensing and the theme pack itself, and theme file itself. So let us begin the installation. Go to the theme section of WordPress, add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose goodnews.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save a few seconds, and the theme file size is very low, and you can conclude that this is a lightweight theme, and it got uploaded in seconds only. And we need to extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this macOS should be deleted, it is not required. The extraction folder is grand news, in which we got all the theme components. Files and folders are here. Now we can even delete the zip one. Go to the WordPress theme section again, and we have now grand news as theme option. This is grand news version 3.4. it is premium responsive news and magazine theme. Activate it now. And upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins, necessary plugins, and we got landed on the welcome page. We will also overview these options. So first we need to install the plugins. So just click on install plugins. These are the list of plugins and mostly are required, so we will install all these plugins. I'm just leaving the Envato Market, it is not required here, and rest I'm selecting to install. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one and let it be completed. It may take few minutes or seconds. So all plugins are installed now, and now we can go for activation of installed plugins. In fact, all are activated as well, so we can see here all plugins are activated. So Envato Market is not required. This theme recommends following plugins: easy, make a photo feed widget, begin installing. Okay, fine. So that is not so required. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. This is the basic look of grand news theme without any demo content. And yes, at this stage we need some demo content to complete the website layout as we seen in the demo website. So let me locate the demo importer. And in the tool section it is not here, in the appearance it is not here, so we will go to the theme settings. It might be here. Create post, create page, customize, import demo is here. Yes, so we will just click on the import demo, and here all the demo are available, and it is also showing the server vitals. It all should be green here, and if it is not, you should go for the setting in the PHP INI setting of your hosting, and you can take help from your hosting provider. And if you get hosting from WP themes connected with this channel, I will definitely give you the suitable hosting plan. With this theme you can get all set here. I am giving the link in the description, so don't worry for this, and you'll get the updated and best suitable hosting solution for you for your project. And I'm installing the demo one, and you can choose any as per your requirement, as per your choice. I'm importing demo one, and the import process is now going on, and it will definitely take some time. So we have to be here on this page only, and don't try to refresh or leave this page. Patience is required here, so just be on this page, let it be completed. You will reach on this screen once the demo gets imported, and it is written here all done. So now we can check the website again, how it looks. Yes, the demo has been imported, it seems, and most of things are here. And definitely in a blog website we need to put our own content or own layout options as well. So demo is just for a symbolic impression only, and this all are working fine. Setup mega menu and all these things are we can definitely handle from the dashboard itself. So we can go in appearance, menus, and the main menu is here, and manage location. If we check, so primary menu is not assigned, so this is primary menu and this is the top menu. Mobile menu you can choose, and now save changes. And now let us check the page edit. This is the home page, and I'll show you again. Let us see all pages what we got in the demo. These are the pages, and this is the home page, and the two editors, Gutenberg editor and classic editor, is here. And we can first check how it looks. And now as we have selected the menu, so menu is here, and definitely we need to put logo. Our own logo is here, and the latest news sticker and box can be handled from editing this page. And these are the options available. So new sticker is here, 3 blog post grid. We can check how it is working and why it is not showing up. Filter category optional is, so I can assign category here and update. Let us see posts, what posts are available or not in entertainment category. Lifestyle, food, lifestyle, style, wellness, entertainment. Yes, some posts are available. So now we can check the page. Customization is always simple in the blog category, so it is not a matter of big deal, and all options are here only. So page sections are here, so it is not going to be a very challenging task. And even if you are not a technical guy, it is simple that you can see now it is working fine. And similarly you can handle all the sections of this page as I did for this section. You can choose to edit any sections, or all are available. And the inner page is here. That is also very nice and working fine. And we can check the shop as well. So I assume there are some products in the shop. Yes, so shop is also working fine, and we have done the activity as required. And this is the shop page, and everything is fine here. So even logos can be set, and we have completed the installation, and there is nothing like challenge, and we can overview the theme panel now. I'll show you the theme settings, what are options are available here. This is the home, and we have already used some of these like import demo like thing, and registration is for one time. General setting is here, so general setting can be handled from this segment. Advertisement you can put after whatever code is available with you for advertisement. Styling is here, so you can choose any demo for your style. Social profile, script and demo content we have already used, and in blog website there are nothing like setting, however these options are available. So in this video we have completed the installation of brand new WordPress theme, and the demo content also is here, and we have also overviewed the theme options. So if you have question, you can definitely get in touch with me. I'm just giving the link of my website in the description of this video, where you can start a discussion thread to get the community support, and you can definitely get the theme as well, and required set of hosting, all sets is available there. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring some wonderful themes and plugins for you, and keep watching. Thank you very much.